In this video, I would like to show you how native speakers pronounce the word them with verbs to give, to show, and to send. Alright, let's get started. To give, to show, to send. Now, we have seen these ideas and these verbs before in Module 6 and Module 7. So we're continuing the same basic idea. We know that we have two ways to start the sentence. I gave them the file, I gave the file to them. The only difference is where we put the object, the file, in the sentence. I gave them the file is 70%. It's more common. In native speakers and speaking, it's much more common to use I gave them, I gave her, I gave him, etc. So we see the same idea. She showed them the video. She showed the video to them. We sent them the documents. They sent the documents to them. Sorry, a little mistake. So they sent them, but it's still the same idea, right? So when we have this to give them the money, send them the email, to show them the house. The pronunciation here is to give them the money, to send them the money, and to show him the house. Now, if we have the other one, to give the money to them, send the email to them, show the house to them, what will happen with the pronunciation is to give the money to him, send the email to him, show the house to him. All right? So we're training this give him, send him, show him, and to him. This is our objective focus for the pronunciation. So let's start our practice. Pause, listen, repeat, and train. All right? It's the sound. Ready? I did not want to give them everything before everything was ready. I didn't want to give him everything before everything was ready. I didn't want to give him everything, so I didn't want to give them. I didn't want to give him everything before everything was ready. I didn't want to give him. She does not want to show all the new photos to them today. She doesn't want to show all the new photos to him today. And she doesn't want to show all the new photos to him today. We are going to have to show them what to do. We are going to have to show him what to do, and we're gonna have to show him what to do. We're gonna have to show him what to do. We're gonna have to show him what to do. They want to give them a second chance. They want to give him a second chance. And they want to give him a second chance. They want to give him a second chance. Did you get a chance to send it to them last night? Did you get a chance to send it to him? Send it to him last night? And did you get a chance to send it? Did you get a chance to send it to him? To send it to him last night? Alright, that ends our video on to give, show, and send. Join me in the next video where we're going to continue looking at them with some of the most common verbs in the past in English. Alright, see you there.